Welcome back to my educational channel Gyan Wizard. I am Ajmal. In this video, I am going to solve questions of Standard 10 Maths 1 Practice Set 3.3. In last video, I solved question from 1 to 4. In this video, I will solve question from 5 onwards. Question number 5 is an activity. Between 1 and 140, natural number divisible by 4 is given as 4, 8, 8 up to the 136. We have to fill in the boxes. How many numbers means n is equal to what? Here also n is equal to what? What is the value of a? A is the first term. That means value of A is 4. Value of D. D is the common difference. That is the difference between two consecutive terms. 8 minus 4 is 4. That is D is equal to 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. This is the formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Value of the Tn means last term. It is given as the 136. We have to put the value of A, that is the 4. N we have to calculate minus 1 into D. D is also 4. From this we have to find out the value of N. That means here we can calculate it as the 136 is equal to 4 plus. When we will open this bracket, it will become 4n minus 4. 4n minus 4. This is cancelled out, and n is equal to 136 upon 4. N is equal to 34. Right here 34. We have to find the sum up to nth term. N is equal to 34, and this is formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Here Sn, value of n is 34. N by 2, that means 34 by 2. 2a, 2 into the 4 plus n minus 1, 34 minus 1 into d. D is also 4. We have to calculate it here. S34 is equal to 34 by 2 means 17. 2a is the 8 plus 34 minus 1 is 33 into 4. This is equal to 17, and this will be equal to 8 plus 132. That means 17 into 140, which is equal to 2380. Here we can write down 2380. This is the final answer line. Sum of numbers between 1 and 140 divisible by 4 is 2380. Take the screenshot. Question number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is 3300. Find its 20th term. That means find the value of T28. Let the first term of the AP be A and its common difference be D. S55 is given as 3300 and N is equal to 55. The formula for sum of the nth terms of an AP is N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D. And the nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Let's see what the value of T28. T28 is equal to A, we don't know, plus 28 minus 1 into D. That means T28 is equal to A plus 27D. 2A plus N minus 1. Value of the N is 55. 55 minus 1 is 54. And 54 is 2 into 27. Here is the 2A. That means if we will take 2 out, it will be the A plus 27D. Let's find out the value of S55. S55 is equal to N by 2. That means value of N is 55 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1, 55 minus 1D. Value of S55 is 3300. That means 3300 is equal to 55 by 2, 2A plus 54D. See the 2A plus 54D. This is equal to 55 by 2, and take 2 out, it will be equal to A plus 27D. The value of T28 is equal to A plus 27D. So we have to find out the value of this from here. 2 and 2 is cancelled out. This is equal to 3300. This is equal to 55 times A plus 27D. And therefore A plus 27D is equal to 3300 divided by 55, and this is equal to 60. Therefore, and A plus 27D is equal to T28. That means value of the 28th term is 60. Question number 7. In an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is 504. Find the terms. So, in the given AP, there are 3 terms. First, we have to assume those terms. So let the 3 consecutive terms in the AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. As per the given condition, sum of the 3 consecutive terms is 27. That means, according to the given condition, A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. Minus D and plus D cancelled out, and 3A is equal to 27. Therefore, D is equal to, A is equal to 9. Therefore, A is equal to 9. The next condition is their product is 504. Product is 504 means A minus D multiplied by A multiplied by A plus D, which is equal to 504. First, put the value of A. A is equal to 9. 9 minus D multiplied by 9 into 9 plus D is equal to 504. Therefore, 9 minus D into 9 plus D, this is equal to 504 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 54, 56. This is the A minus B multiplied by A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. That means this is equal to 9 ka square minus D ka square, which is equal to 56. Here we have used the formula A minus B into A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. 9 square is the 81 minus D square is equal to 56. That means D square is equal to 81 minus 56, 5 and 25. Therefore, D is equal to plus minus 5. We got the value of A and D. Let's find out the required series. Question is, find the terms when A is equal to 9. When A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 5. And the series will be A minus D. That means series is 9 minus 5. A minus D means 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. A means 9 itself. A plus D means 9 plus 5, that is 14. When A is equal to 9 and D is equal to minus 5. A minus D, 9 minus minus 5, that means 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14. A 9. A plus D, 9 minus 5 is 4. Thus we will get two series, 4 9 14 or 14 9 4. In this way we completed the solutions of question number 7. Please take the screenshot and let's move to next question. Question number 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. So first let's assume the 4 terms in the AP be A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Two given conditions are sum of all these 4 terms is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Let's first use the first condition. Sum of 4 terms is 12. That means from the first condition, A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D, this is equal to 12. Minus D and plus D cancelled out. 4A plus 2D is equal to 12. We will take here 2 common. That means 2A plus D is equal to 12, or we can write down 2A plus D is equal to 6. Let this be our first condition. And from the second condition, third term plus fourth term. From second condition, third term, that means A plus D, and fourth term is A plus 2D, which is equal to 14. A plus A is 2A plus 3D, which is equal to 14. We will solve these two equations to find the value of A and D. Subtracting the equation 1 from equation 2, that means 2A plus 3D. 2A plus 3D is equal to 14 and 2A plus D is equal to 6. 2A plus D is equal to 6. Change the sign while subtracting. This is cancelled out. 2A is equal to 8. There 2D. Therefore D is equal to 4. We will substitute the value of D in equation 1. From 1, 2A plus D is equal to 6. That means 2 into A plus D. D is equal to 4. C is equal to 6. Or 2A is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, A is equal to 1. Now we got the value of A and D. Therefore, the required 4 terms of the AP are, therefore, 4 consecutive terms of the APB, A minus D, 1 minus 4, then A is 1, then A plus D, 1 plus 4. And a plus 2d. A is 1 plus 2 into d is 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1, 5, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So these are the 4 consecutive terms of the AP. Question number 9. If T9 of an AP is 0, that means 9 terms of an AP is 0, then show that 29 term is equal to twice of 19 term. T9 is equal to 0. Let's write down the formula of the nth term. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. T9, that means n is equal to 9. This will be equal to a plus 9 minus 1 d. That means T9 is equal to a plus 8d. T9 is 0. 0 is equal to a plus 8d, or we can say that a plus 8d is equal to 0. First one. T19, let's find out the value of T19, which is equal to a plus 19 minus 1d, which is equal to a plus 18d. We know the value of a plus 8d is 0. Let's break 18d as the 8 plus 10d. This is equal to a plus 8d plus 10d. And value of, because a plus 8d from 1, it is 0. That means this is equal to 0 plus 10d, or T19 is equal to 10d. Let this be the question number 2. Let's find out the value of T29. T29 is equal to a plus n minus 1. That means 29 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 28d. We can write down it. We know the value of a plus 8d is 0. Let's break it into the two parts. A plus 8d plus 20d. A plus 8d is 0. That means T29 is equal to 20d. But we have to find out it in terms of T19, and T19 is 10d. We can write down it as 2 into 10d, and 10d is T19. That means T29 is equal to 2 into T19. So in this way we completed the exercise practice set 3.3.